Hi friends, this is the first video on Abacus tutorial. Before starting anything regarding this video, I would like to tell you, don't forget to subscribe our channel so that we will be in touch and you will get information periodically regarding Abacus course. Parents frequently ask us about Abacus and its functionality, etc. Many times you might be come across or eager to know answers of such kinds of questions. Friends, this video the one likely question, that is name of Abacus parts. Let's watch and understand the parts of Abacus. First part, which is blinking portion, you can see it on screen, is called frame of Abacus. This frame is just like the same as we use for photo frame or whiteboard frame. That is the boundary of Abacus. The sums have to be solved within the boundary within this frame. Second part is blinking now, that is vertical in shapes and are called rods of Abacus. These rods varies in numbers according to the Abacus. Calculation won't be depends on rods numbers. Rather, procedure for calculation is almost same. The blinking portion is called rods. Now the third portion is blinking is called beads. These are rounds in shapes and looks like a ring and are mostly in brown colors. These beads are always on top portion of Abacus, hence called upper beads. In the same way, beads are blinking on the bottom portion of Abacus are called lower beads. Fifth part is blinking now, that is called divider. It is also called a recognizing bar. As and when the upper or lower beads are touched to this bar, it shows the value on Abacus. It is called a recognizing bar or divider. Last part of the Abacus is called pointer. We can start calculations on Abacus right from any pointer. Doing the same never gives us wrong answer. But generally, starting calculation from center point are prevailing and helps us in future. The last part is called pointer. Friends, this is all about Abacus and its parts name. We are glad to tell you that we are having self-study package of Abacus. Like this video, there are so many other videos consisting in Android mobile application that can be watched offline as and when you want after first time download. You can have this course right now if you don't have the class nearby your home or don't find time for physical classes or don't find the right teacher or find high fee structure. Friends, know more about the course and for admission, feel free to call us.